Wah, wah, wah. Hey you! I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Hey everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So yesterday, which was Christmas, Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year when it comes. I'm so happy to be alive today. I'm so happy that you guys made it alive today. And for those who haven't made it, may your soul rest in peace. Okay, so yesterday, which was the 25th, Stray Kids went to perform this song. It's called Walk on Water. First time hearing of it, so it's actually my first time reacting to this Stray Kids performance. So, without further ado, let's see what Stray Kids done in this performance and to see if it was lit as fuck, right? And I do hope you guys enjoy the Christmas. And it was a day, it was already gone. But yeah, we are here today, so it's a blessing. Let's dive in. Respect about Stray Kids is that you know the neatness always ties with each other, right? The performance is always lit, right? Everything it's always lit. I mean, like the dress code, everything is just unique. And it's my first time hearing of this song, so eventually I'm feeling great because it makes me smile a lot, bro. It's like these kids, man, these men, but known as Stray Kids popularly, but they are literally so cool. Like the performance, the song choices, it is so cool, bro. Trust me. One in a billion. The guy with the raspy voice is always my favorite, right? In every crew, I get to realize that the guys with the raspy voice is always so cool because they stand out differently. Each individual contains a different vocal, and trust me, everyone sounds good. It's sounding good to listen to them, right? They are making it so nice for us. I mean, like, yeah, it's very enjoying to listen to, bro. Rah, 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 rah. Keep them coming, bro. Keep them coming, bro. This is good. This is yeah, the performance is lit. The performance is lit. I mean, like they are killing it, man. They are killing it. Yo, this is the most lit thing I've seen since Christmas, bro. Like I haven't entered into a form of reaction yet, and they haven't given me this lit performance as yet. But this is the first thing I've seen so lit for this Christmas, bro. Like, bro, too cool, bro. Too cool. The neatest transition I've seen, bro. Like, yo, they are full of surprises. Well, I want to see what's up because once, bro, remove his stop, then you know it's gonna be lit as fuck, bro. Let's go. So good, it's so good. What incredible performance, bro. I mean, like, yes, there are many out there who can perform, but to see this, right, so neatly transpired, so neatly done, bro. My mind is blown, bro. Oh, back up, back up. Rah, rah, rah. Yo, now I see why so much people are so eager to see them, right? Because the performance, the crowd reaction is wild. Like, even if I was there, right? My reaction would be the wildest. Because look, they are making it so good. It is very good. It is an experienced performance, bro. I mean, like, they can perform and all of that, but bro, this one is different from the rest. I've seen so much performance by them, but this one is different from the rest. The energy, it is just right. It's just connecting with the audiences, and this is why the reception is so good. This is why people always went to see them, because why? The performance is always lit, bro. Stunning performance. Like, this is giving me the impression as if I'm there with them, bro. And this is the reason why performance should be so good, because even if you're not present on the stage with them or in the audiences with them, the performance from where you're watching should be as connecting as possible. And they're always making sure that the fans are connected with the art, with the artists. So very good job. Very, very good job, guys. Very good job. Performance, it's amazing. It's amazing. I mean, like, yeah, the persons who are, literally there in the black, I'm not sure who are they, but they're representing a good job. The job is well done. It is making the stage even more usable, right? The usage of the stage, it's occupied, very occupied, and they are doing it so easily. A lot of practice, a lot of time invested, but regardless, they came and they outdone themselves. Very good, guys. Very good. The ending was great. The ending was great. The eight of them did an excellent job. Well done, Stray Kids. Well done. You guys have outdone yourselves. And if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, stay tuned for more Stray Kids reaction. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, Happy New Year when it comes. Merry Christmas has always gone already. But you guys should know it's a blessing to be here. Peace.